Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will solve another quiz which is related to arithmetic expression. The quiz contains the basic operation plus minus multiplication and division. So we have to solve this quiz using PAMDAS and BODMAS method and find out the correct answer. In the answer list, we have four answers. A is minus 97, B is 0, and C is 97. So let's see after solving it which answer is correct. So before starting the video, please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn these type of quizzes from my channel. Now let's talk about what are the rules which we can apply to solve the given expression. Here we will discuss two rules, BODMAS and PAMDAS rule. These rules we can apply to solve any arithmetic expression. And the rule says if your expression contains any bracket or parenthesis, so you have to solve that part first in your expression. After the bracket, you have to see the power of any number. If your expression contains any number which has the power, so you have to solve that part after the bracket. Step number three, you have to solve division and multiplication. Both has similar precedence, so you can solve any of them which is coming first. Similarly, for addition and subtraction, we have same rule. We can solve addition first if it is coming first, and we can solve subtraction first if it is coming first. Now move forward to solve the given expression. According to the one and Palmer's rule, first of all, we have to solve the bracket, which is this one, B. So we have to solve like this one, 4 plus 7, and you can say the parenthesis. So first we have here two bracket, one is this one and other one is 2 multiplied by 5. So first we have to solve this bracket, which is 4 plus 7. So we will write like 4 plus 7 equals to 11 multiplied by 3 and divided by 11. So divided by 11, we will write as it is minus and 2 raised to power multiply by 5 and bracket the power is 2. So here we have to solve this one. And here we have to give the reference like 4 plus 4 plus 7 equals to 11. Now we have to solve the bracket number 2, which is this one. So we have to solve this one, which is 11 multiplied by 3 and divided by 11 minus and 2 multiplied by 5 equals to 10 raised to power 2. Here we will write 2. And here we have to give the reference 2 multiplied by 5 equals to 10. Now move forward. Step we have solved the bracket. Now we have to solve the exponent part. So in our expression, we have one exponent part which is 10 raised to power 2. So we have to solve this one. 11 multiplied by 3 divided by 11 minus 10 raised to power 2 means 10 multiplied by 10, which is equals to 100. And for reference, we will write 10 raised to power 2 equals to 100. Right? Now move forward. Step number 2 we have solved. Now we have to solve the step number 3, which is division and multiplication, or you can say multiplication and division. Actually both has similar precedence, so you can solve any of them which is coming first if you are going left to right. So we have to go left to right in this part, left to right, and find out which is coming first. So first we have this part 3 multiplied by 11, or you can say 11 multiplied by 3. So we will multiply both of them, get the answer is 33 and divided by 11 minus 100. We will write here as it. And the reference we have 11 multiplied by 3 equals to 33. Now move forward again, we have to go left to right and find out which is coming first. So now we have 33 divided by 11, which is equals to 3, and minus 100 we will write as it is. And here we have to give the reference like 23 divided by 11 equals to. Now we have two terms which are subtracting each other. So we will subtract both of them and get the answer is 97. But not 97, it's minus 97. Why minus? Because we have the minus sign with the larger number which is 100. So that's why we will write minus 95. So this is the correct answer of this expression. If you see the answer list, so answer A is the correct answer of this expression. So I hope you understand like how you can solve the given expression using PAMDAS and BODMAS method and find out the correct answer. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn these type of quizzes from my channel. We will meet in next class. Bye bye. Allah.